Hey there, and Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and heightened devotion. But did you know it's also the perfect time to nourish your body with some incredible superfoods? Let's dive into how you can unlock the power of superfoods this Ramadan, starting with one of the most beloved fruits in Islam, dates. Dates are not just a sweet treat to break your fast. They're packed with essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and fiber. In fact, dates provide a quick source of energy, which is exactly what you need after a long day of fasting. But the benefits don't stop there. The Quran mentions dates in several places. One of the most beautiful references is in Surah Maryam, where Mary, is advised to eat dates during childbirth, and shake the trunk of the palm tree towards you. It will drop upon you ripe, fresh dates. Surah Maryam 19:25. This shows the significance and the divine recommendation of dates. Next up, let's talk about oats. They might not be mentioned in the Quran, but they are an incredible source of slow-releasing energy. Oats are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied for longer periods. Starting your suhoor with a bowl of oatmeal can keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Plus, you can add so many delicious toppings like fruits, honey, or even those dates we just talked about. And there's more. Incorporating other superfoods like almonds, chia seeds, and honey can make a huge difference. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats and protein, keeping you energized and focused. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. And honey, especially raw honey, is not only a natural sweetener but also has antibacterial properties. So why not make this Ramadan a time to nourish both your soul and your body? By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you'll not only enhance your physical health, but also follow the beautiful traditions highlighted in the Quran. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Take the time to enjoy and be mindful of each meal. And most importantly, stay hydrated and listen to your body. I hope you found these tips helpful. Have a blessed Ramadan, and may your fasts be easy and your prayers be answered. Until next time, take care and assalamu alaikum.